If you are among those who have been looking for a video on how to find schools and do your admission and application process all by yourself without the help of an agent or even me that is talking to you, then this video is for you. So please sit back, relax as I walk you through the process. By now, I believe that you must have gotten the most important document that you require to do your admission process. First of all, you must have what we call an international passport that is valid for at least for 1 year, academic transcript, your certificate, proof of language if you are not from an English speaking country. Your birth certificate is also important, proof of nationality, academic CV, which may be optional, recommendation letter, or referees, which can be provided upon request. And most importantly, you also need what we call a statement of purpose or intent. These are the most important documents that you need whenever you want to apply for schools, whether it be in Romania, Finland, Germany, or any countries. So the only thing you need is for you to know how to apply for these schools admission. So what I want to show you now is how you can apply for schools in Romania. If this is of interest to you, please sit back, relax as I walk you through the process. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have done that, guys, thanks. So now come with me to my computer. Let me show you how you can do this effortlessly. Remember, you can apply all by yourself without needing my help. Come with me. So for those of you who want to study in Romania, you go to this site, studyinromania.gov.ro. As you approach this site, you will see it is time to study in Romania. Search study programs, degree, languages, study domain, city. Remember, you can search by domain. Domain simply means your field of study. So is it automobile? Is it civil engineering, computer science, cultural studies, dental medicine? Just look for your field or domain. Then degree simply means is it bachelor, master's, doctoral, or PhD that they call it preparatory year. The language, English, domain. I'll click on electrical. Then I'll click on search. Now, this is where it becomes very interesting. Take note, advanced electrical system is one course I can study. Go down, I can study vehicle integrated electrical system. They are giving me options, integrated electrical systems. Don't forget, this is the cost per year. Are you seeing it? And it's 2 years. So which means I'll need to multiply this by 2 to get the school fees for 2 years. Remember, this is not free. All right. If you are looking for free, look at this link, apply for MFA scholarship. I've done a video already, but those of you that were able to apply, congratulations. For those of you who did not apply, I'm sorry. You need to watch out for that again. Now, if you see procedures, we have general admission procedure, visa, scholarships, recognition. So you can take your time to go through. I don't want to deviate. Look at the program. It's taught in English because we fixed it in English. It's a master's program, 2 years, and this one is 2,800. So look for the one that is cheaper for you and attend. Now, once I'm done with this, look at this. It says online file processing fees according to the university regulation. So there will be a processing fee. Are you getting it? So what you will do, let's assume you are applying for this. You go and click discover. When you come to discover, please read, in fact, copy this and put it in a notepad because you will need it when you are writing your statement of purpose. Don't forget that. Then also you see study domain, electrical engineering, English language, tuition fees, Romania, EU, year of study, only 5% fees according to university regulations. So this is tuition fees for non-EU, which is you, and 2,430 euro, and it's 2 years program full time. Are you getting it, guys? Once you are done with that, admission page, you can click it. Let me open it in a different tab. This is the admission page. Are you seeing it, guys? Why Colitincia Bocheras? Are you seeing it? You go and study of offers applying, student from EU, student from non-EU, which is where you are. You click it and you read. Student from non-EU countries, general informations. The registration for non-EU citizens is done on the Apply UP Bro platform in the section non-EU citizens. If you wish to study a program in Romanian language but you do not have a language certificate, you must apply for the Romanian language preparation year. So we don't need it because we are looking at English. Necessary steps: choose the program, submit the file on the platform Apply Euro, obtain study visa. Take note, you will need to provide proof of financial means, at least 2,500 euros in your bank account. This is your proof of funds. Proof of accommodation, proof of health insurance. Are you getting it? So all this you can ask me how to do it. I don't want this video to be too long. So these are the 3 steps. Now, registration period. The registration process will take place online on the platform apply.eu between February 7th, 2025 to July 31st, 2025. Admission process. The admission process of non-EU candidates takes the following steps. Are you seeing it, guys? It says the school will submit your file to the Romanian Ministry of Education. They will confirm it within 20 days. The Office for International will issue admitted candidates who have confirmed the place of document. Then you will do your enrollment. For campus accommodation, this is the accommodation. It says the campus benefits from approximately 14,000 accommodation places distributed across 2 campuses. So you'll be lucky if you have this accommodation. Okay. Now, how to apply? This is how you can get your So for you to get all the necessary information, including documents required, can be found on the Apply platform. So that you click on Apply and let's see how to apply. So first thing first, you choose the course that you want. Which one are you? Are you non-EU or EU? Don't forget how to apply. Non-EU students, you can read this. So choose where you want to study. Remember they have 2 campuses. So you either choose this campus or this campus. Let's go with the first one. Select a category based on your nationality, not EU. Choose your degree. You see it, apply to an undergraduate, apply for masters. Application file, application form. Are you seeing it? Statement of document on 30cc, consent of processing personal data, declaration of commitment to pay tuition fees. So these are what they will take you through. If I were you, you click on application form so that you just see how it looks like. So this is the application form. You print it out and fill it with your hand. Capital letter, please. You fill it and you go to the next one. Statement of the document of TCC. You fill this and sign. You keep it. You go to this one, consent of processing personal data. You will also print this, fill it, and sign each page. This is because when you are start your admission processing now, you want to apply now your application, you need to submit all these files. They will ask you. So you don't start running scatter. Declaration of commitment to pay tuition fee. This file, you also print it out and sign. Make sure you sign and put your dates. Now that you have done all that, this is copy and certified translation of the birth certificate, national identity card. You will need this. Copy of the passport. These are the documents you need. Copy and certified translation. Copy and certified translation of the relevant authorities issuing country. Copies of legalized translation of the transcripts of records for high school diploma or bachelor's diploma. So if you know you've not legalized a document, that will be the first problem you will encounter. Certificate of completion of the preparation year. So you don't need this because you're not going for any course that is related to Romania language. Are you seeing it? But if you have from a language, English language speaking country, you will just have to show your B1 or your English. So you have your medical certificate, power of attorney if the applicant of the candidate is carried by. So if someone is sponsoring you, they'll give you power of attorney, they'll sign. All right. If someone is applying for you or your parents are the ones sponsoring you, you need power of attorney so that they can represent you in terms of application. Now, to start the application process, you click on that yellow button, start applying. Important for international applicant. Please ensure that you have all the necessary document, PDF format only, and it shouldn't exceed 3 MB in file size. Make sure you compress your file, not more than 3 MB, else they will bounce your application. It says prepared before starting the application process on our university platform. Once you begin your application, it is mandatory to complete it in the same section. This measure is necessary to avoid technical issues, delays in processing your application. We recommend checking the admission requirement in advance and preparing all the requested documents to ensure a smooth application process. So guys, this is step 1. What do you want to study? You fill the form. Study language, English, which is EN. Domain, the course you want to study. Faculty, you see it. Study program, integrated. Are you seeing it, guys? You move to the next. Candidate profile, your name. This is where you now fill your name. So the rest things is history. Once you are done, you upload all your files, all those documents that I mentioned in this video, and you submit. And once you submit, after 10 days, you will get a notification in your email if you are successful. So guys, that is how you apply for schools in Romania. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section, guys. I'll be more than happy to respond.